Hey yo guys, welcome back to Nigel's Creation YouTube channel guys. So today I'm gonna show you guys how to edit your video in Capcut with editing the effect and animation and then lot of more guys. Let's begin guys. So this is my video, so I'm going to edit this video. Alright guys, let me play it. Alright. Okay guys, now I think I don't want this scene, so I going to cut it. So I going to tap on strip and edit now, and then alright guys, I going to crop it like this until where I want. Okay, alright guys, I think I want from here guys, so let's play it. Alright. Okay guys, so here I think I want to put some effect lah guys, so let's see what effect we got. So I'm going to tap on effects and video effects. So see here guys, got a lot of effects. So I think I'm going to add the zoom lens. So let's see guys. Wow, look at it guys. So guys, you can edit the effect where you want. You can crop the effect lah guys. Alright guys, now let's see from here. Alright, now I think I don't want this scene, so I tap on the video and I press the split and wait a minute guys, I going to okay. Alright guys, and let's crop it. Alright guys, now see guys, like this. So now I think I want to show you how to add the animation guys. Okay guys, in, so got lot of you guys, so let me show you guys. Just I think I want put this one guys, so see here, you can adjust the timing guys. Alright, now let me show you guys like this guys. So you can add the ending also guys, so press again on animation. Wait guys, alright, here and out. This one out means at the behind guys, so like this. So I think I don't want this one lah guys. Alright, like this guys, and edit animation. So combo guys, this is the combo like this. So like this guys, you also can reduce the seconds, or like this guys. Yeah, okay guys, and guys, you can add the style also, but some styles only can acceptable in this video. I think it will take a longer time lah guys, so just wait it. I'll show you. Okay guys, here we got filter, so I think I want put the cold. Let me see, this is the original guys, the color. Now this one the after edit guys. So like this guys, the video will. Okay guys, let me see. Natural, I put in nature guys. Alright, okay, and you can adjust guys the color apply to all. Yeah guys, see it a bit bright guys. So guys, thank you for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If got any comments, please write on it in the below box guys.